Okay, guys. Is it on? Yep, it's on. Okay, this is Mr. Cat Hero, and welcome to Catbird. I'm just started playing this game, and I felt like making a video this night, so yeah. 4 1-stars 2 up, comment on this video. Anyways, let's start with the game. Oh no! Not the poor cat flare! Oh no! Not the poor cat! Land on Mars. Wait, Mars doesn't even know. Hello, world. I think it said 2. Oh. I can fly. Great 2D and top D. Anyways, it's just a pretty good game. Magic key. No. Oh, this crown. I feel like that's a trap. Trying to get to the key. This is safe. This is safe. Totally safe. Push bird. It's called Catbird. Oh, I think it's called Bird Cat. The game made when I wasn't born, I think. No. That's a peace bird. Guys, you need to show respect to the cat. Oh, I need to push that. Oh, okay. Shout out to Shapeshifter. Yeah. I can do that this entire time. That's 2 deaths. Was it counting my deaths? Why are you counting my deaths? Stop counting them. Stop counting my deaths. The amount of times you have died is 1,000 times. What a noob. No. I think I know what the crate's for now.
I am the curator. Welcome to Match Collector. The game designed for fun that doesn't sell anything. It has a banner ad at the...
Why? Why are there ads? Why are there ads? Anyways, got the key. Now we just need to go right here. Don't think about dropping it. Now we made it across. And it's been a while since I actually made it here. Like, look. Ah! What's this? Need a pressure plate. Let's go. I'm scared. Risking it. Okay, that was a close one. IQ 1000 moment. right there. This game is pretty good. Up and down. Ooh! Here we go. Why it's telling me to go up here? Look at me, I'm a pro at this. See, I'm a pro at this. I better not die here. This is the most simplest area of all time. I could get the extra. Ah! You better not. I have to restart the entire level. I could have just run for it. Stop counting my deaths. Still alive. You don't tell me. Working my way to victory. There it is. Shaky grounds. Better not be a boss. Wait, can you hold while on the ground? You can. Okay, made it. Some more and then we'll be done. Why is there so many ads in the game? I'm still standing. Yeah. I'm still standing. Should I go for it? Better not force me to, because I hate it. What is it doing? Oh, a checkpoint. A checkpoint. Not this again. Ooh! Got some boobs. No, I get the crown. I just walked through the. The one, me. Oh no! Overbird. Okay, made it. Now to avoid not getting killed. What can go wrong? Apparently something will. Like, I don't care. Wait. Wait, what's the safe? No, so I have one chance. Ooh. Ow. Upward. Ah! What worse could happen? Thank you. Of course, there's no secret area. Why would I do that? Over and upwards. Over and up. I wonder if there's like any bosses to this game. Got me. Skip the entire level. Double trouble. Oh my. Yep, there is going to be bosses here. Oh. Double trouble. Oh. Look at me. Nah, don't look at me. He did not even hesitate to just jump. Look at me. I'm a pro. Please. I don't get it. You don't? It killed me! It killed me! It just killed me! You just saw what happened? It killed me like it was nothing! They thought, hey, this is just normal days for him. Let's just try to help him win. And they just merely just put an ad, a freaking ad to me, and just kills me a lot. I mean, why would they add ads in the game? I don't want to just be like, can't kill me now because I'm about to win. On second thought, I don't know. This does look hard. I thought this was Mario for 1 second. Stop counting my deaths. Do it mean something? Would you please? Stop counting my deaths. It doesn't mean anything. Do I need an achievement for that? Ooh.
All right, start a farm with 0 capital. What are you waiting
Stop with the
for? Start your own farm now.
You know what? I think I have to cut out the ads real quick. If another ad comes up, as that ad, I'm going to just stop the video for right now. I'm just going to stand here. Okay, I'm going to stop the video right now. Actually, no. Long way. You've been trolled? Been tried, been told. Don't reply to this guy. Just try to get out of view. Yes, it's true. Well, that's cool. Run up and down. Drink bad stuff. You been trolled. You've been trolled. To try to be told. Don't reply. Guys, try to get right out of view. Yes, it's true. You start traveling up and down. That dripping bad stuff. Trolled, you've been trolled. That's one. No more, mama. No more, mama. Finally. For so long. Oh! That word. Please stop counting my. Why are you bullying me? Wait, it did not kill me. It did not kill me. Could get the crown, or should I just go? I'm going to risk it. But the worst could happen. That was too easy. Like, I don't get how that was supposed to be. Guys, it's gonna be the very last one. I think this is gonna be the boss, I think. Hi there, long lad. Oh, open up my eyes. Who's I? Oh yeah, 23 kills. Hey. You mean 23 discs? Shut up! I'm trying to sleep. Oh, that's it. I'm going to kill you. Wait, I don't want to hurt you. Just kidding. That's one of the bosses. Okay. Cutscene. Boss? Poor kid. That's cute. Now in Grassy Island. Okay guys, we're gonna be doing this on next video, so bye. Actually, let's see here. You can choose which ones you want. This one is different. But you get to choose which one you want. Let's 100% complete this one. I think this one's gotta have like a trophy. Because last time I was here, they did not. So yeah, I'm going to 100% this one. Completely. life, I would say. But Mr. K-Hero, how would you do that if you don't have any checkpoints? Shut up. I know my rules. And so do I. The stage is too low. You know the rules. And so do I. I don't think it's in this one yet. This one's gotta be where it is. So instead, so this one I think they're going to give me something. Okay, this one we don't even think about. That's where our ad comes when I'm about to do this. Oh man. Ooh. Wait, actually I think I have to climb up there and then do it. I think I'm correct if I'm correct. Run! Jump. Yep. Ooh. The furries are just going to be saying, I like playing this game. I'll be like, yeah, right. And it just keeps going under day. Which one looks like it needs one? Stop with the ad! Imagine there's actually a crown underneath there. Nope. So, no. Maybe it's gotta be in the first one because that's been... Yeah! That's the crown! That's the crown! To look for. That's the crown! Yeah! I got it! I got it. I got them all. Okay, tomorrow and bye. So I have something else.